get back up again. You can call it how you wanna, I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away.
Hey guys, my name is Velma I and welcome back to my channel. And if my mic is making a weird noise, I'm very sorry. I'm working on it, as in, I don't know when I can buy a new one. But hopefully you guys can chill and deal with it for a little while. So I really wanted to film a video today. I figured I would just get home, put some makeup on, you know, do a makeup tutorial maybe for Valentine's Day. Do something all cute, and I remembered that I just got back from getting my eyelash extensions put on, and so that's like a big no-no. It's very frowned upon, lash extension techs, so you don't do that. You don't put, you know, you want them to set and whatever, so I'm not gonna be wearing makeup. I have my beautiful eyelash extensions on. I love how they came out. But yeah, so today guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you a story. I was like, why not share another story with you guys, because a lot of you did like the last story time I did. So I figured I would just go ahead and share another story time video for you guys. So if you happen to like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It does help me out a lot. Also share it if you can with a friend on Facebook for Valentine's Day. I don't know, just share it if you want. Guys, so this story goes way back when. Like my last story was from high school, but this one goes a little bit further. I'm pretty old, and it goes back to like legit 2nd grade. So yeah, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my first Valentine's Day anything with any boy, any crush, and that's what it's gonna be. It's just gonna be a story of when I gave my first Valentine's letter, card, whatever you want to call it. So do you guys remember in school where like they made you decorate a brown bag, you know, like one of those little brown lunch bags, or a box maybe? I think like back way in the days, it was lunch bags. Like those were the cheapest, like a little bag. You made it into like a cute little puppet. Like I think I remember like little frogs with heart eyes, or just something. Like it just had, you drew on it, you were creative, and the teachers, I give props to the teachers. Like that's a very good idea. It really opened up the gates to like show kids that you should share your love, like friendship wise, and I don't know, I don't think they like poured the love on us, but I remember just like kind of making everybody, forcing everybody to be friends, which was pretty cool. Like I think they should do that more often. Do they still do that? I'm pretty sure, but I'm pretty sure it's not the way it used to be, sadly. But anyway, that was like my favorite, most favorite time of the year. I was just super excited to create my, I don't know, I think that's why I'm into DIYs, but I was so excited to cut out hearts. When I can still remember like the first time I learned to cut a heart. You know, you fold your paper like hamburger style and you just cut the heart out, and it just, I don't know, it just amazed me. And I've always been in love with Valentine's Day ever since. But yeah, so anyway, this goes back way back when. I want to say 2nd grade. I don't know. I don't remember. But I remember I had a crush on this boy. I'm not going to call him guy, but I'm going to call him a boy. And I had a crush on him. I still remember his name, and I'm going to give you his name because I don't think he is looking at this video. So his name was John, and really quickly I wanted to add in, like I wanted to ask you guys if you feel the same that I do. Like I always wonder where people are in life. Like I'll think about John and I'll be like, wow, I wonder what happened to him, what became of him. I'll think about some girl I met in like 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade. Like I just think about people, and I like sometimes look for them on Facebook, and I don't know, I have like a real connection to people that, I don't know, that I only knew for a while. And I just get really attached to people, and it sucks that we have to grow up and that we have to move away sometimes. Like we moved a lot when we were little, and so I just remember leaving a lot of friendships behind, and I don't know, it kind of does something to you. Super sad. Anyway, his name was John, okay? John was a little white boy. Don't get offended. He was a little Caucasian boy, and I still remember how he looks. Like till this day, I still remember his face. I remember he was really light complected. He had freckles, which, to let you guys know, right now that's not my type. That's totally not my type. with all due respect. But like, I don't know, I just don't think I'd find him attractive now, you know? Like if I knew how he would look anyway. But anyway, he had like a little, his like head was just like shaved. Like it wasn't no side shade, and then like he had hair up here. He was just like a little buzz. I don't know, I remember it being like really fluffy. And so he had blue eyes, really deep blue eyes, and he had a raspy voice that I remember. Wow. I feel like I don't have a good memory on my life. Like I can't remember things from childhood. Do you guys know why that is? I don't know, but like I remember him, you know, so it's kind of weird. But so yeah, I remember him, and yeah, that was just all about, there's not really much more I can say. I really wasn't like dying over him, but I felt some type of love, you know. I had a crush on him is what you would call it. And yeah, he just had a raspy voice. I remember him having a raspy voice. Wow. Anyway, he would talk to me. I think one time he lent me his highlighter. Which blew my mind. I was like, girl, he wants me. I was like, I know he wants me. We're gonna get married. We're gonna have 25 kids. He's just my soulmate. I found my soulmate in 2nd grade. Time went on and like nothing really happened. What would happen, Velma? What the hell would happen in 2nd grade? So Valentine's Day rolls around and the teacher's like, kids, get ready. Like, let's decorate, blah, blah, blah. And I was so freaking excited. I was like, this is my chance to tell John, the love of my life, how I feel. You know, this is the time to win his heart, to get him to marry me, and then we can have our 25 kids and be happy. I'm a very quiet person. I was very shy. I guess I still kind of am, but I was really, really shy, you know. I was just a little baby. And I remember my aunt was with us, or living with us, so I don't know. My aunt was around, and she's not way older than me. She's about 8 years older, maybe. Not too far. But so I decided to tell her, to let her know what was going on. Like I told her I was so in love with him, you know, that I really liked him, whatever. And see, she was such a badass aunt. She was like, let's do this. Like, come on, I'm gonna help you. Get your crowns, go get your glue sticks. What could she be like telling a 2nd grader to do? You know, so she was like, go get your crayons, get your markers, get your pencils, like, go get a piece of paper, let's do this. And I clearly remember cutting like the shape of a heart out of the paper, and we went crazy on this note. Like I can't remember what we wrote in it, obviously, but I remember sitting there, my mom was like cooking or something, and my aunt was next to me, and she was telling me what I was gonna write on it. I think she wrote a lot of it for me. So she even sprayed it with perfume, and yeah, so I do remember her spraying it with perfume, like the note. She sprayed it with perfume, and then also she had me put lipstick on. She ran and got lipstick. She had me put lipstick on, and she had me kiss the paper. Like that, so that my lips would... If he still had that, like imagine guys, if somewhere out there in life, like there's still this John that's like, damn, I remember her. And I remember she, like, what if he still has it, you know? Or could have either gone two ways. Either he would have been like so touched by it, you know, and he would have kept it forever and like, you know, showed it to his like wife when he found her or whatever, because they're not meant to be together because we were meant to be together. But anyway, so yeah, like what if that happened? Or if not, he really like reacted all crazy. He hated it. He wanted to tear it up, but his mother thought it was the cutest, most adorable thing ever, and she like folded it up and like kept it somewhere, and she has it like in her memory box of John from 2nd grade. Like what if that happened, you know? And then one day he finds it and he looks for me and he finds me and we're here and we're married. Calm down. Yeah, but like what if that happens, you know? So it could have either gone both of those ways, but no, it didn't go those ways. Like she was like, okay, this is what you gotta do. You gotta get to school. You're not gonna put it in his Valentine because that's just stupid. You're not gonna put it in his little box or in his little bag. You're not gonna do that. What you are gonna do is you're gonna fold it up and you're gonna put it in his backpack when he goes somewhere to the bathroom or something. Go to his backpack, put it in there, zip it up, and just leave it at that. And that's what I did. I just left it at that. I put it in his backpack. I can still kind of remember, like I'm starting to smell like crayons, Like I'm having some nostalgia happen, if that's the word. But yeah, so I just remember that, like, I don't know, that's so funny. But it ended pretty roughly. Like this is pretty much the end. What happened was, I guess John opened his bag, he looked at it, he gave me a weird look, and he shut his bag. And I think he grinned. He did. He was like this. Let me show you guys. He was like he wanted to laugh, but he was like, this bitch is crazy. Walk away, and he put it back in his bag. He zipped up the bag, and then I never heard from John again. He really didn't talk to me. I guess it didn't work, you know? Like I expressed my whole love to him, and he never asked me out. He never kissed me, nothing. But I mean, I guess we were in 2nd grade, so that's probably a good thing. He was probably a good kind of kid. If not, if he was like a cochino, he would have already made a hit on me, and it just would have ended wrong. So that's it, guys. I just thought it'd be fun to share with you guys like my first Valentine's Day love experience ever. Let me know what yours is. I would really love to hear some funny stories, do you remember singing your first Valentine's Day? Like, what was your favorite part of Valentine's Day? Are you super like anti-Valentine's Day type of person? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to read them. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And if you're new here, consider subscribing because I do upload videos every single Wednesday and Sunday. And for the week of February, I'm going to be uploading one video the whole week leading up to Valentine's Day. So hopefully you guys are enjoying it so far. We are on day, I don't really know, but I hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!